Welcome to today's episode of Podcast Name. I'm thrilled you're joining us. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of software development tools, and more specifically, we'll be exploring GitHub. Now, for those who might not be familiar, GitHub is like the community hub for developers. It's where people collaborate, manage, and track their code projects. So, let's break it down a bit. GitHub is outfitted with a variety of features that cater not just to seasoned coders, but also to beginners trying to find their feet. For example, the GitHub Copilot, a sort of AI assistant for coding. It's almost like having a helpful buddy who suggests how to write your code better. That sounds pretty cool, right? Now imagine you're coding and you hit a wall, staring at your screen wondering, what's next? That's where Copilot swoops in to offer suggestions. It's like magic. But of course, it's powered by some very sophisticated artificial intelligence. Let's not forget about security. With more eyes on code comes the responsibility of ensuring it's safe. GitHub has features designed to help developers find and fix vulnerabilities in their code. It's kind of like having a digital security team at your disposal, monitoring your projects and ensuring everything's secure. I wonder, for listeners who are developers or even tech enthusiasts, have you ever faced any security issues in your projects? It'd be interesting to hear how you navigated that. Then we have GitHub Actions, which are essentially like tiny robots doing work for you. They automate workflows. Imagine this: you make an update to your software, and in an instant, tests are run, builds are made, and deploys go out, all without you lifting a finger. Isn't that a game changer for productivity? And on top of that, there's code review. This could be compared to having a mentor, the kind that looks over your shoulder when you're coding and gives you constructive feedback. It's crucial for maintaining code quality and ensuring everyone is aligned on project goals. Also, let's talk about the social side of GitHub. There's a feature called Discussions, where developers can chat about ideas, issues, and more, all outside of the usual code review context. It's like a coffee break for coders, where they can brainstorm and collaborate on future projects. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight GitHub sponsors. This is a fantastic initiative that lets you support open source developers. Kind of like crowdfunding for code. It's a way to give back to the community and ensure that the folks making tools we rely on can continue their important work. To sum it all up, from tools like GitHub Copilot to security features and community-driven initiatives like GitHub sponsors, the platform plays a pivotal role in how code is created and maintained today. So, whether you're a developer, a tech lead, or just someone interested in how software gets built, GitHub is a fascinating topic. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences, so feel free to reach out. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and who knows, maybe your next project will be the next big thing.